Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Evotrade EA for MT4. This is a commercial system marketed as an AI-driven or self-learning gold trading robot, sold both through reseller sites and linked to MQ5 listings. So let's examine the claims carefully. Alright, from the website here, we can see that Evotrade is presented as an automated trading system that uses advanced algorithms, sometimes described as computer vision or data analysis based, and is set to adapt in real time. It is primarily associated with gold trading, although some descriptions mention broader capability. And you can see that the claimed Evotrade EA offers an unparalleled trading experience for XAUSD on the 1 hour time frame. It analyzes, learns, and adapts in real time, and it continuously updates its strategies, ensuring precision and profitability in live markets. The marketing materials highlight very high live signal growth figures, hundreds of percent in a matter of weeks in some cases, along with claims of low or zero drawdown in selected periods, high win rates, and optimized presets for quick setup. 5-year backtest claims and Monte Carlo analysis are also referenced on reseller sites. Live signals and my FX book links are frequently cited as verification. As with many commercial EAs sold at discounted prices through third-party stores, the exact internal logic is not fully disclosed. So you can see that it's going for 169.95 US dollars if you're buying with card, and $135.96 if you're buying with crypto. The claim is at a discount, and that the regular price is 799 US dollars, and you'll be saving about $663.04 on the purchase. The marketed features include fully automated execution, optimized settings for ease of use, compatibility with ECN and standard accounts, and cross-platform nodes for MT4. Reseller pages emphasize instant download, money back policies in some cases, and live performance screenshots showing rapid equity growth. Users are typically directed to specific set files and risk parameters after purchase. VPSUs and low spread brokers are commonly recommended for this style of system. Alright, so you can see some of the results here on the website, as I previously said. As you can see, in a matter of 3 weeks, okay, there are 3 weeks up here, and you can see that they claim 324% growth since 2024. So take a look at the performance. You can see for an initial deposit of 285 US dollars, the profit was $923.16. You can see how the equity curve looks as well. Move sharply to the upside. They claim the live signal data shows a 324% growth in just 3 weeks on a real trading account with 0% drawdown. Evotrade proves its ability to maintain capital safety while generating high returns. They claim their live equity curve reflects consistent profitability backed by advanced algorithms adapting to real-world market dynamics. But it's important to note that this is just from the developer. And as is common with websites like this, it's important to take the claims with a pinch of salt. No independent strategy tester results from our own testing is available for this review. Public verification therefore rests on the vendor and reseller materials, linked live signals, and third-party MyFX book accounts. Those materials show periods of very strong growth, but also include drawdowns in the high teens to mid 20% range in some reported tracks, and trade statistics that can vary widely depending on the period examined. Extremely high short-term percentage gains on live signals are eye-catching, but must be interpreted with caution. Rapid compounding often coincides with higher risk settings, favorable short-term market conditions, or specific lot sizing methods. When the same systems encounter different volatility or spread regimes, results can change significantly. Claims of self-learning or computer vision technology sound advanced, yet without transparent, reproducible long-term, every tick tests, they remain difficult to verify independently. Reseller pricing that is substantially lower than the original listed price is common in the EA market and does not by itself indicate quality or lack of quality. What matters is the actual risk behavior, consistency across market regimes, and whether any recovery or multi-position logic is present. All right. So you can also see comments from customers, reviews. So download is possible immediately after payments, and the support is very efficient. The other person claims they have been using the services of the site for some time and appreciates the approach and highly recommends as well. Well, honestly, the features that matter most are independent verification of the live signals under realistic spreads and commissions, the exact risks and lot settings used to produce the advertised growth, the presence or absence of recovery methods, and thorough demo testing with the files actually supplied. Aggressive short-term performance claims should always be treated skeptically. High percentage gains in short windows can mask elevated risks. Drawdowns reported in the 20% range are material for most accounts. Limited public electrical transparency increases reliance on vendor materials. In practice, start with the most conservative settings, verify the live signal accounts yourself, use a true low spread broker and VPS, and never risk capital you cannot afford to lose. Past results never guarantee future performance. Overall, the Evotrade EA is a commercial automated system marketed with AI self-learning language and high short-term live growth figures, primarily associated with gold. Independent long-term strategy tester data is limited. Verification relies on vendor and reseller materials. Thorough independent testing and realistic risk expectations are essential. As I said, you should always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex support from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.